guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to hashtag Epic Owl School Days 2019 and welcome to your second class in this series. Today we are going to be packing my backpack for back to school. I'm so excited for this video because I really want to get organized for back to school. Now if you guys do like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And while you're down there, subscribe so you never miss a video and turn on post notifications. Let's just go ahead and get on into it. Let's go! Okay guys, so let's get started with packing my backpack. Now, a bunch of the things that you will see here are the same things that I had reused from last year. If you guys want to watch last year's video, you guys can click the I in the corner, and you guys can watch that after this video. Now, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's start off with my backpack. I actually did get a new backpack this year because my other one was falling apart, but if this one doesn't work, then I will still use my one from last year because I'm not sure which one will work better. So this is the basic backpack that I got. It has 3 main pockets and then just this little section in the back. And so yeah, let's pack our backpacks. So the first thing that we are going to pack is just going to be this Pendaflex that I got from Staples. And it's honestly just really helpful if you guys don't want to use a binder. I've used this for I think 4 years now and it has really saved my life because I don't need to carry around a binder. So basically what it is just when you unzip it, it's just full of these little sections that you can put all of your papers from each class, and I just labeled them like this. And then I have all of my papers, graph paper, things like that in here, and then this will really help me stay organized. As well as in the front, I have all of my plain index cards right here in the front, as well as my ruler in case I need those, and you guys can add as much as you want to those sides. And so yeah, that is my Pendaflex. That is going to go right into my main compartment. Okay, the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to take our folders. Now, if you guys recognize these folders from my haul last year, they're still in pretty good shape and I only use them once or twice. So I'm going to reuse these folders, and I didn't use all of them last year, so I only need 2 of them. But they're just these simple folders and I thought that they were really cute, so I am going to reuse them. Usually I do it biggest to smallest inside my backpack so I can see everything. So these are going in front of my Pendaflex in the main compartments. Next, let's do all of my composition books. Okay, so here are all of my composition books. I have a blue, a light blue, a purple, and one that I reused from last year because I showed you guys how to make this in a back to school video last year, and I plan on decorating all of these for another video this year, so that is why they're plain right now because I haven't made that video yet, so they'll stay plain until I decide to decorate them with stickers or something else. So all of these I am going to reuse, and I am going to put in the very back elastic compartment in the very back of my backpack in order to keep it separated from the rest of my stuff. This year everyone was required to have a computer, so I just got this simple Chromebook, and I'm going to put this in the back right next to all of my notebooks. So my computer is going in the very back just so that it stays secure and that it won't break. Now I have my agenda. Now most schools just give out a plain agenda, so that is what I'm going to be using here. And it's really small and a lot smaller than last year's, so that's why I'm pretty excited so that I can put this in one of the front compartments. Next, I'm going to move on to some of the smaller things, like my pencil pouch, which I also have from last year. It just has all of my colored index cards, as well as all of my pens. And that is basically it for my pencil pouch. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. All the basic things that you would normally see inside of a pencil pouch. So yeah, so this is going to go in also this smaller compartment right with my agenda. That. Next, we are going to move on to my lunchbox. Now, I had used the same lunchbox for a long time, so I decided to get a new one, especially one that wasn't so boxy. So I got this one at Tilly's. It just has some sunflowers on it and it opens up like that. I don't know, a lot of people are getting lunch boxes that look like this, so I decided to hop on the trend and I needed one anyways, so I got this really cute sunflower one that I think contrasts the backpack a lot. So that is going to go right in the main compartments, and it hasn't been packed yet, obviously, because it isn't school yet. But there we go, it's going right in the main compartments. And next to that, I'm going to put my hydro flask with a single sticker. But I really like how simple it is, and I got this last year as well, so I'm going to reuse that. And I'm going to put this right next to my lunchbox, right in the main compartment. Now it'll be easier once my backpack and my lunchbox is filled up, because then it'll create more space. However, right now I'm kind of struggling with it because it isn't puffed up, so it just kind of looks like that. Next, we are going to move on to some of my other random stuff, like all of these rainbow sticky notes. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them, but they were pretty cute, so I'll put that away later. Next, I have my extra gloves, just in case it gets pretty cold or I'm biking home. And along with those, I am going to put my little fold-up owl bag. Now, this is completely random, but in case I'm taking home PE clothes or something like that, it just folds out into a bag. So I really like how small and condensed it can get, and it can also squish in pretty easily. So that is going to hold all of the stuff that I want to carry separate from my backpack. That's also going in this main compartment. And I'm going to zip that up because I cannot fit anything else in there. Next, I have my ID. Now it just looks like this, and I turned my ID card around, obviously for obvious reasons. And it's just on a simple lanyard. And I'm going to put this one right inside this outside pocket. Now I have all of these sticky notes, which I'll probably take out of my backpack. But for now, let's put them in the main compartment in the back. I'll put a few of them in there just in case I need them. Now the main compartment's pretty much done. And now we are just left with this one outside compartment. Now all the rest of the stuff that I have will stay out of my backpack after I use them or take them to school. For example, my bike lock, which will just stay in my locker because I don't need it in my backpack, as well as my stuff for my instrument, which will just stay in my band locker, and things like that. So those I will just shove in here and then bring to school, and then after that I'll be done and not have to put them in my backpack. So yeah, basically that is all for packing up my backpack for school. Here is what all of the pockets looks like.
She said 9 to 5, I'm killing time, but 24/7, 365 might have to be where I feel your sunshine. 1 to 2, step 3, step 4, she's everywhere out on the dance floor. She's everything you could ever want and more. She said, boy, these are the terms to play. If you hit and run, there is no way we could ever be what you plan to be.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And also stay tuned for another bonus video on Sunday for hashtag Epic Owl School Days 2019. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on Sunday for another awesome video. Bye!